Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to take your website offline on Squarespace step by step. I'm doing this on the web dashboard. Head to the Squarespace website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your account dashboard or site editor. Now we need to get into your site's settings. Look down at the bottom of the main menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. Click on that. A large pop-up will open with all your Squarespace settings like permissions, billing, domains, and more. In this settings panel, find the option called Site Availability. It's under the website menu section. Click on it. You'll now see the visibility options for your site. This is where you control who can see your website. You can hide it from everyone, add a password, or make it public. To take your site offline, select the private option. When you choose private, only site owners and contributors who are logged in can see the site. Everyone else will be blocked. Now click the Save button to apply the change. It's usually at the bottom of the settings panel. As soon as you click Save, your site goes offline immediately. The settings should now show your site as private. Visitors who try to visit your domain will see a private site message instead of your actual website. Search engines can't find or index your site while it's private, so if it was live before, it'll stop appearing in search results. Even though your site is offline, you can still log in and edit it whenever you want. It's just not visible to the public. One thing to note is that your site still counts towards your subscription plan even when it's private, so you're still paying for it. If you want to bring your site back online later, just go back to Settings, open Site Availability again, select Public, and click Save. Keep in mind you'll need a paid subscription to make your site public. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.